I filmed this coyote back during our deer season, luckily for him, or I would have shot it. It came quite close before spotting me, but I was still able to do some lip squeaks and bring it back in. This next coyote wasn't so lucky. Well, I just smoked another coyote. I'm sitting in the same tree stand that I shot that last one out of. I'd done probably 3 sets of calls, and it's been a good 10 minutes since I finished my last set of calling. And I really wasn't expecting to see anything, and I just happened to look down, and there's a coyote standing there looking up the hill towards me. And it gave me enough time. I got the camera on it, but I couldn't quite get the camera over far enough to the left to get a full view of the coyote. You can just kind of make him out. And then when I shot him, you can see him fall and kick when he hit the ground. But looks like another nice looking coyote, so we'll go down there and take a look at it. Well, here it is. Another nice looking coyote. This one's a female. Pretty good size for a female. Got a real nice color to it. Really good shape. You know, this is the second coyote I've called in this morning. Wasn't able to get a shot at the first one. Was in the thick stuff, never really gave me an opportunity. So I packed up, came up to this spot, set up, and it paid off. So I think I'm going to keep moving here this morning, see if I can't get set up again and maybe get another one.